On 19th of December, Assam State Outsource Power Workers Union staged a protest at the office premises of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, Diphu, over their temporary terms of services, demanded to recruit them in a permanent employee basis. There are 12 subdivisions of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited across Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts, and more than 2,000 employees are currently working on a contractual basis. Some employees had exceeded a mark of 12 years working as a contractual employee of APDCL. Therefore, on 19th of December, Assam State Outsource Powers Workers Union assembled at the Deputy General Manager's Office of Kanch Electrical Circle, APDCL, Diphu, and staged a protest with a demand of recruiting them on a permanent employee basis.
কাৰণটো হৈছে আমি বহু দিনৰ পৰা আজি 10-12 বছৰৰ পৰা মানে ইয়াতে অস্থায়ী হিচাপে আমি কাম কৰি আহিছোঁ আৰু এই কাম কৰি থকা হিচাপে আমাৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ সুফল ন্যায্য দাবী আমি পাব পৰা নাই
ningkan krehini balason plengket lo plengtang so tami pini anda nilitum maphan pini anda mane permanent gadu we phanmang na ବ୍ୟବস্থাপন pedal tum mathapun pedal se pini nitum lang dak bang se chesong nang kok lo.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.